Take me down, 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 down. I can never get enough. Take me down, 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 down.
Welcome to running a commercial video ads using AI. For this thing to take place, you need to have an experience of a little bit of video editing for you to do this very aspect. First of all, pick up a physical product that you prefer, take it to remove background and remove the background of that very physical product. Once you remove that very physical product's background, it will give you the opportunity to use the product as you wish. Now go to your browser, log into Pinterest. Once you get to Pinterest, look for maybe you want a female person, a female person that will be the face of your brand. Maybe you prefer to use an object, maybe you prefer a car, maybe you prefer, like this is a cosmetics, a lotion. So I will prefer to use a female. I will go to Pinterest to get a high definition image. Maybe I'll get someone that just had a bath, someone that is tying a towel, someone that just a black lady. If you're in an African country, just get a picture that someone wouldn't sue you at the end of the day. So get a picture like that and then use it for your video. Just in case you want to go completely commercial, you can actually generate a picture of someone using artificial intelligence. But because of this is a class, I will still go to Pinterest and get an image. I'll still do a video that has to do with getting using a full prompt to do this very project, to do this very work. So now, video of ladies that just had their bath had just come up. I've downloaded it to the smartphone, and I'll now go to CapCut to edit it into process. I'll use picture. I'll go to picture, the photo. You can use CapCut, you can use InShot, you can use. So going further, you just have to have the image you prefer in your phone gallery and then import it into your InShot or into your CapCut, depending, or even VN, depending on the video editor you are working with. For this very class, we are using InShot to make this video editing. Okay, you go to the InShot, get the product image that you prefer. When you get the product image, get the image of the lady that you want to use, or the guy, or the vehicle, or whatever that you're using as a product, because it's a commercial ad. Get the image, put it side by side with the person that is going to broadcast, that is going to relate with the physical product that you're selling. Okay, of course you don't want to show your face, but you prefer to use other images, maybe a prompt, or maybe an image you got on the internet that is not commercially that is not to be used for commercial purposes. So put up the image on that, save the image, export it using InShot. Once you export it, it automatically saves as one whole image. Once it saves, the image saves with the object is now together. You now go to Grok. You now go to a software called Grok, so you'll be able to put them up together. If you've not gotten it the way you want, go to photo, put up the image, import the image. Once you put up the image of the personality you want, you now import the object, the physical object that you're selling. Once you import it into your project, the next thing you have to do is to save it, because at this point you cannot animate, because it's just a video editing software, and this is just a picture editing software. So at this point the image is now yours. So go to Grok, click on the add image, for you to upload the image into Grok. Grok is owned by Elon Musk, so you can, if you don't know the Grok, you can actually go to Apple Store to download Grok. So when you click on to add image, the image you save with the physical products will automatically come up to the Grok. You go to imagine and click on it and for it to make it to turn into a video. So automatically it starts generating the video format of the ad, and you'll be looking at it. As you can see below the image, you can see 70%, 18%. It's going up. Once it reaches 100%, it will animate that very image you've already generated. Okay, after doing this, we'll have to do another video that has to do generating from direct prompt. So right now it has already generated, it has reached 100%. It has generated the image. From image to become a product ad that you can actually use on the television. If you are to work on it further, it will become a complete commercial ad that you can use on the television, or you can use on social media to market your product, okay, without actually showing your face. So that's the beauty of the whole thing. Once you're done with that, you can save it, you can download it, and then use another maybe you can run another prompt, or you can go ahead and use another image to do the same thing. So you do it 2 or 3 times, so for you to be able to get at least 30 seconds video. If you can get 30 seconds video or 1 minute video, that's wonderful enough. So I'll go ahead and use another image that we already have on the system, we already have on the phone, to generate another image, to generate another ad. So I'm trying to get the image for myself. Again, I'm trying to get the image that will be using to do this very work. So the work is, I'm going to use the flyer that I used earlier before now. So I just uploaded the flyer, just a normal flyer that was designed for the product. I uploaded the flyer and then clicked on generate. Uploaded the flyer. Sorry, there is no generate here. Once you upload it through Imagine on Grok, it will automatically turn it from a flyer into a video. You can customize it to be doing anything you prefer it to do. It can be dancing, it can be picked up by a human being, it can be pressed out if it's a lotion, like this very image. Okay, so all you have to do is follow these various steps as we have talked about it, and you'll be able to understand what is being done. Okay, thank you very much.